Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Ralph at IMS 3D. Today we're going to do a simple design, something I saw. So I saw something like this at a marketplace. I thought it was pretty cool. It's really not that difficult to make yourself. Let's go ahead and get started. I searched the internet, found some free files. First file was the state. Doesn't matter what state it is. Doesn't matter what flag you want to use. Look on the internet, it's there. We'll go ahead and import it. We'll import the state first. We'll go ahead and right click on it and trace image. We will ungroup it and remove what we don't want on it. We'll re-highlight it all, and then we'll go ahead and group it again. I'm going to make a copy of it. Move it off to the side. Next, we'll import the flag. We'll go ahead and right-click it and trace it. We'll bring it down, stretch it, and get it in position. That looks pretty good to me. We'll combine the two images, weld them together. We'll take the state and then the flag, and we're going to subtract it. We'll go ahead and group this together. Okay, it is grouped. That's good. And I'm going to center these two. We'll go ahead and line them up. I hold control down and use the arrows. We'll merge it into position where it belongs. Zoom in a little bit more. Now the flag layer is going to be set a different layer, and it's going to be a fill layer. Let's go ahead and look at this. Of course, we want our fill layer to be first, so we're going to put it in number 1, move it up in the line. We'll go ahead and set the fill power and speed and the cut power and speed. Go ahead and get both layers. We're going to stretch as far as we can for this bed. $410 should be good. I'm going to go ahead and put a pre-painted board. I took a board, I stained it black, and we're going to use that. Let me go ahead and load it. We'll cut it, and I'll show you the results. Now it's done. I figure I'll show you the results. I think it came out great. I like the black on it. I actually thought it was going to be inverted when I was making it, but it wasn't. But it still came out great, I think. I mean, easy project. You can do so many different things with this. I like to share as I go. As I learn, I try to share my knowledge as I learn with you guys. I hope you find this stuff useful. I enjoy making the videos, and I think when I make videos, I learn more than just watching somebody else do. Well, please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.